How you can earn a real paycheck using affiliate marketing. A lot of people think that affiliate marketing is difficult to learn, but in reality it's not that difficult. You just have to keep an open mind and properly educate yourself. That's the only way to ensure success. This video here should be a good starting point to help you learn about affiliate marketing. Check current news headlines to see if you can use them to your internet marketing advantage. A news story on electrical outages, for example, is perfect for you if you are in the solar industry. Use news stories for blog post ideas and real-life examples of why your product or service is a necessary purchase. Affiliate programming is a gradual process that takes a while to make money from. It is important to remember that many programs give you lifetime payouts for members that you refer to their service. You must remember that affiliate advertising is not a get-rich-quick scheme, rather, it is an easy way to make some extra cash. Be wary of affiliate marketers that do not offer real-time customer tracking services. An affiliate that cannot show a webmaster the traffic flowing from his or her site to the affiliate's site is possibly an affiliate looking to cheat the webmaster. Affiliates that rely solely on testimonials on past performance are even worse. How an affiliate used to do business has nothing to do with how they do business now. Hopefully you are able to understand all of the tips presented in the video to help you with affiliate marketing. Remember though, this is only a small amount of information compared to everything you can learn about affiliate marketing. Keep your mind open and apply this information as well as any other information you might have, and it should help in your success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.